Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking for the best bandsaw for your projects? Look no further than this video. We've done the research and testing to bring you the top 5 bandsaws for woodworking. From cutting intricate curves to resawing thick stock, these bandsaws will take your woodworking to the next level. Don't forget to check the description box for more information and follow the link for the best deals. Let's get started. Jet B10 Woodworking Bandsaw. The Jet B10 stand bandsaw is a compact and powerful woodworking tool, perfect for shops with limited space. The upper and lower cast iron frame provides increased rigidity, while the poly belt drive system reduces vibration, maximizing power transfer from the motor to the blade. The 13:1/8 x 13:3/8 cast iron table with a retractable extension wing expands to 19, providing additional work support. This well-equipped bandsaw comes with an easily adjustable LED work light, quick-release blade tension, and upper and lower ball-bearing blade guides, making it ideal for smaller cutting applications and scroll sawing. The heavy-duty 1/2 HP induction motor provides ample power, and the simple and tool-less blade guide adjustments make setup a breeze. The Jet B10 Woodworking Bandsaw is the ultimate choice for woodworkers seeking a dependable and adaptable bandsaw, supported by Jet's unmatched 5-year warranty against manufacturing faults. Powermatic PM1500 Woodworking Bandsaw. The Powermatic PM1500 bandsaw blends precision, safety, and smooth operation to offer a versatile and powerful cutting tool. The heavy-duty upper wheel support and tracking mechanism ensure smooth and stable blade movement, while the high-end blade guides with tool-less adjustment provide increased cut accuracy. The oversized side plate can be used in both horizontal and vertical positions, making it a highly versatile fence. The solid cast iron upper and lower wheels create the necessary momentum for heavy resawing applications. In addition, the blade tension release with electrical interlock prevents the bandsaw from starting when the blade is detensioned or released, providing an added level of safety. The Powermatic PM1500 bandsaw, despite its 15 size, incorporates numerous features typically exclusive to larger bandsaws, resulting in a game-changing tool. This product is backed by a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind for the user. Rikon Power Tools 103061 Bandsaw. The Rikon Power Tools 103061 Bandsaw is a top-quality machine that can produce smooth cuts in a variety of materials, including wood and metal. Equipped with a powerful 1/2 HP motor and 2 blade speeds, this bandsaw is ideal for small to medium-sized projects. This bandsaw is easy to operate and adjust, with a tilting cast iron table, adjustable rip fence, and tool-less blade guides. It also features safety measures like a quick-release blade tension lever and a safety paddle on/off switch. Moreover, this bandsaw comes with several improved features, including a redesigned 2:1/2 dust port that is now tilted upward for easier dust fittings attachment, sturdier door hinges, and additional plastic inserts in the fence carrier for tilt adjustments. Its rip fence has a plastic pad for smoother sliding, while the lower frame construction and upper guide assembly have been improved to ensure a consistent 5-inch cutting height. Overall, the Rikon Power Tools 103061 bandsaw is a dependable and user-friendly machine that comes with a 5-year limited warranty, making it a great investment for any craftsman. Grizzly Industrial Geese 0555 Bandsaw. The Grizzly Industrial Geese 0555 bandsaw is a powerful and versatile tool that is perfect for both hobbyists and professionals alike. With its 1 HP motor and dual voltage capability, this bandsaw can handle a variety of materials with ease. The cutting height of up to 6 and the 13:1/2 throat capacity provide ample space for even larger projects. It also boasts all ball-bearing construction, with upper and lower blade guides for increased accuracy and stability during use. The cast iron frame and precision ground table provide a solid and stable foundation for your work, while the computer-balanced aluminum wheels with urethane tires deliver smooth operation and reduced vibration. Other features include a quick-release blade tension lever for easy blade changes, a 4-dust port for improved dust collection, and an open frame stand for stability. Finally, this bandsaw also comes with a 3/8 blade, extruded aluminum fence, and miter gauge for added convenience. Delta 28400 Bandsaw. The Delta 28400 Bandsaw is a durable and reliable tool that features a heavy-duty steel frame design to reduce flexing and ensure long-lasting durability. Its 1 horsepower, 115 V/230 V, one-phase TFC motor operates at 2 speeds, 1,620 fpm and 3,340 fpm, making it suitable for wood and non-ferrous metal cutting. The saw's oversized precision ground cast iron table has a T-slot miter capability that tilts from 3 degrees left to 45 degrees right with a positive stop at 90 degrees, making it easy to adjust and providing superior accuracy. The bandsaw's 5 precision ball-bearing upper and lower blade guides ensure consistent tracking for accurate cutting performance, and the larger insert provides visibility for easily changing the lower guide settings. The durable aluminum, rubber-coated upper and lower 9-spoke wheels are precision-balanced for superior blade tracking, and the 2-speed drive system features tool-less belt tensioning for easy adjustments. Lastly, this bandsaw has a cutting capacity of 13 to 5/8, wide by 6 high, and can accommodate up to a 3/4 blade, making it a versatile and powerful tool for woodworkers and metalworkers alike. Thank you for watching our video on the best bandsaws for woodworking. We hope you found it informative and helpful in your search for the perfect tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tutorials on woodworking tools.